Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be doing a day to night soft glam, so I hope you enjoy. Lip glow oil, Anastasia dip brow, Milani concealer, e.l.f. foundation, True complexion contour, Anastasia concealer, illumination, I'll probably say about this one, maybe mix it with that one. It's supposed to be very light. So I'm gonna go with the shade right here in the front. I'm probably gonna make a crease, but we're not cutting it, just dabbing a little bit on the top. So you know, okay, like the midpoint, back up and bring it in, and then just dragging it a little bit, not all the way up to cover the whole lid, but just enough so we can tell there's a little bit of color in it, right? Studio. Stiletto mascara. Last but not least, our lip. Lip liner. I thought. Here is the finish. Now, the only thing I'm going to add is some pressed powder. I keep using it. If you want to see what it looks like, if you press it into the skin, it looks like this. So, press it into the skin. I dip the excess off, and it looks like this. When I spin it on my hand, lift it upwards, it looks like this. My cheek. Where I had originally had my cream. Wait, not cream, my powder. No, yeah, I can still have it. Here, just keep it. And here, okay. We are done with the daytime part of this makeup look. I hope you enjoy. I think it's super cute, and there's no liner. We'll save that for the end. There's only a few things that you really need in this look to take it from day to nighttime, and I believe that is adding the wing liner, adding some more gel liner under here to make your eyes really pop, and then a darker shade in your transition to give it a smoky eye effect, as well as a little bit of black if you really want to take it all the way with the dramaticness, or if you want a softer dramatic look, just put a little bit of darker brown up in here and blend it. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. We take this transition zone, so exactly where we put that original color first in the very back corner, just take it back here until you see it start to come on and go up a little bit. Fill out as much lid space as you have. If you want it to be super duper dramatic, go all the way back. No, go up, just go back, and then go over slightly over the tips of this gold with the color before we go back and blend it out. So just like with any other makeup look, I would say take this very light starting out with before you start to blend it, because once you blend it, You don't want to look like a mess. So okay, now same thing for the other side. Okay, hopefully you can see the difference with just doing a little bit for that. Is it darker or is it? Now I'm going to take this very, very fluffy brush. I'm not going to brush it. I'm going to take this fluffy brush. I'm going to blend it out. So now I'm just taking it with my wrist and going like this. So blend it up into brown. Blend it upwards. Just going upwards a little bit. Literally going like this. And then up a little bit as well. Now, once you have the color exactly where you want it to go, you're going to take the color, go over just a little, this way. Very lightly. Now, outside. And go in circles and just blend it out a little bit more instead of adding even more color. Hopefully you can tell the difference in my eyes, because I definitely can't already. It's not super dark, it's not super drastic, at least not to me. I might be blind, I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to take my finger and with the previous shade, that little white right here in the corner, I'm taking this, just putting the color on first before we blend it out. So we'll tap it on, going about halfway, and then we'll be going upwards with the color. So I went up with the complete color of the lid. Not color, I keep saying color, the shade of the lid, size of the lid. Where my eye starts to end, my literal eye starts to end up here is where I stopped putting the color. So this side. Until the extra kind of just fades away. I'm using the finger again to also mine. Now I'm going to clean up with my liner, same as that brush, just clean up all the way up to where I want to crease it in. Now I'm just going to brush the remaining part and work it down. The color that the pink lip gloss gave earlier. Okay, color around where I put the other color. Around where I put the pink color, sorry. Now that we finished the lip, take a look. Super cute. The color might look a little bit darker to y'all than I do in person, but when I take my pictures, hopefully you'll be able to see the actual color. It's like a, not like the cherry coke lip because it's not red, but it's whatever. It's perfect. It's perfect to me. It should be perfect to y'all. Place. I want to keep one to come and then tap it on. And I'm just rubbing it in to my skin. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I don't even know. it's gonna not come out. But this is so pretty. Okay, thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this day to nighttime look. By the way, this was for one of my makeup assignments, so I can't wait to see what we have next. Hopefully you enjoy part 3 of my little complete my makeup assignment with me videos. But you can totally wear this makeup out. I would totally wear this out. I feel like I have worn this out before I started taking these classes, but it was not hidden like this is right now. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. This lip is cute. By the way, I use the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Times Square, the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Devil's Food Cake, and my Milani lip liner shade Rich Cocoa. Super pretty. We'll do this again. Bye.